The square root of 2. Does it have any connection with fire, or Shiva, or Vishnu? When we learned math, the square root of 2 just quietly appeared like any other number. They called it irrational.
But for the ancient Arsha people, it wasn't a number. It was the problem they needed to solve.
To solve for Agni, for Vishnu, and for many other deities. This was happening long before 3000 BCE, centuries before Pythagoras was born, and long before the numbers 1, 2, 3 were even invented. Yet, the square root of 2 was already a problem they had to solve. This is Agni, the god of fire, and this is Vishnu, the sustainer of the cosmos. In the Vedic tradition, each deity was offered a sacred base, a geometrically shaped platform used for rituals. These were called altars, but they were more than just platforms. They were precise, symbolic constructions, each one tailored to the nature of the deity. Agni, the fire god, received a square altar. Vishnu too had a square, but his platform needed to be twice the area of Agni's. And here lies the ancient puzzle. How do you construct a new square that is exactly double the area of another? If Agni's square is 1 unit by 1 unit, the area is 1. But simply doubling the sides, making it 2 by 2, gives an area of 4. That's not double. That's 4 times. So the sages looked for a different path. They didn't need larger sides. They needed the right side length, one that would create a square with an area of exactly 2. They turned inward, into the square itself, and they drew its diagonal. That diagonal became the side of a new square, one that had exactly twice the area. That length was called the root of the square whose area is 2, or simply today, the square root of 2. It wasn't scientists or mathematicians who first used mathematics. It was the designers, the builders, the architects of the ancient world. They were the ones who needed it to find, to measure, and to create.